Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. In this video, we will see encapsulation. In the last videos, we have seen object-oriented programming in Java, how to do that, how to use class method, class variables, how to declare them. Okay, so these are the things that we have already learned in previous video. In this video, we will see encapsulation. So encapsulation is the main one of the main properties of object-oriented programming. Okay, so we can implement same thing in Java and a lot of other languages too. So what exactly is encapsulation? Let's take an example and we will try to understand same thing. Okay, suppose there is a car driver. Okay, and car driver press button that will that is used to blow horn. Okay, so what is happening, a car driver is pressing a button and that will blow horn. Okay, so what is happening, the mechanism of this pressing button and blow horn. Okay, behind this there are a lot of things going on. There is a speaker, there are wirings, there are a lot of things happening, but a car driver do not need to know that these things happening. Okay, because these things are encapsulated from the car driver. In the same way same things are happening in our code. We can use same technique for some class method of variables. We can use encapsulation way to use only limited thing that is required. Okay, and what are the benefits of encapsulation in Java? It basically help you to control over your data. You can easily simply set data or get data from other method, not from directly from that class variable. We will understand everything from one example. So let's see. Okay, so as we can see, this is our class name is encapsu. Okay, this is our encapsu is my class name. Okay, so let's let's create our driver method, that is public static void main string. Okay, args. So this is our main method. In whatever we will write in this method, that will going to run system.out.println. Let's say technetiz. Okay, we can run simply. Let's see that it is working or not. So we have an output, that is technetis. Okay, so if I wanted to have one variable and we wanted to access that through object, how can we do that? We can simply write this public and name. Let's say string type uh, name is equal to assist. Okay, so that is name class variable. Okay, we are keeping the name and which has assist value. Okay, now if I wanted to access this name, how can we do that? We can simply create one object through this. So for creating an object, we need to write class name first, and then we have to choose one object name. After this, we need to write new keyword and then again class name with brackets. This is how we can do, and in the same way, obj1 dot and name. Okay, so this is how we can simply access our class attributes. If I wanted to run again, we will see assist. Okay, this is the way we can uh, access the class attributes. But if you see this thing, then you will find that it is not losable way. I can what is the meaning there? What is the meaning of this? That means if I wanted to change the value of name, then we need to simply go to simply here, and yeah, through object we can do that. But there is a very better way, that is the encapsulation way. If I wanted, I do not want to use this thing in public. Okay, name, I do not want to use this in public. Then what can we do? There is a way. Let's make it private. Okay, we have we have we have create one class attribute that is private and which has a name, which has a string type, and that is name. Okay, now there are two methods popularly known as getter setter methods in Java. Okay, so suppose I wanted to throw this object, I wanted to use this class variable or class attribute. Let's see how. Sup- so here I need to write the name public void set name. Okay, and here I need to pass the same, and this is how we can do. And what is the type of this string? Okay, so what is this? This is basically, we know we are not going to use this name variable in public. Okay, if we are using this, suppose we are using this encapsulation in different class or different package, then we do not need to open this name variable. Okay, name attribute, class attribute, because we have a set name, and through this we can do whatever we can pass anything, we can put anything here. So this is why we are encapsulating this string variable or class variable from everyone. Okay, from every other classes. So this this method helps you, helps you to set the value. Okay, and there is one more method to get or access the data. How can we access? Okay, let's say public string and get name. How can we do that? Let's check. Return, and this is how we can access. Now what is the way to use these things? So we have an object one. let's say let's say now I wanted to put one name, object dot set name. We will pass here the value, anything we can pass here. Let's say Google. Okay, so we are passing here, and in this print object one dot object one dot get name. If I simply run this program, then we will get output Google. So what is happening here? If you see simply, we are not directly using this thing because it is private, or we are using setter getter method instead of direct this thing. Okay, that this is encapsulation. This is an encapsulation because we are not using this thing in public. We are just we do not wanted to use this thing, and this is exactly encapsulation in programming language. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please do share this video, and if you have any kind of doubt, then please do comment it out, and we will try to resolve it. Yes, sir. Thank you.